traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? We just had a collapse white zone on cable. Let's see, the bot did good overnight. It hit the growth target. Looks like it had about a little over 50 pips. Now, let's see. Let's start with the euro yen. It had a 5-minute reversal. So here's a 5-minute chart. Okay, but that is a reversal. We had the collapsing white zone and the cross. All right, and then boom. Okay, so here's the first reversal. If it touched the line here, then the first dynamic was here. Actually, I take that back. This is the first dynamic right here because it touched, and then the next candle, this candle broke below this. It would have pulled back on you, but you would have got a decent entry. That entry would have been, what's the low of this candle? 69. So that would have been a 68 entry. 68. Yeah, okay, that was the trade that we got. I'm sorry. All right, so this is our trade right here. So that's a pretty nice one. It happened pretty quick. Boom. Now this could have been another one. You got, I just don't know, your risk reward would be a little off unless you use this swing as a low. But here is where you touch your collapsed white zone, your L1's below the 2. The first dynamic doesn't come until right here though, and that's 60. It'd have to float against you here, but boom, then it hits here. But not a lot of pips on that one. So probably better that you just get this one here on that. So that was Euro Yen's reversal. All right, let's get to 5-minute or 5 and 1 minute charts here. Look at those reversals starting to work good. This is what I was looking at before. That's the 1 minute. Where's the 5-minute though? But now here we go. We have the cross basically and the collapse. And it's a white zone phase of 3. Let me reset my levels. I'll let it take that. Okay, so here we go. We got the 5-minute reversal. All we're waiting for is a 5-minute candle, dynamic, So we're going to need a 5-minute bearish candle and then a break below that candle. Okay, well, we're in the reversal on pound dollar. Here, let's see what's going on. Love to get a solid break below this level here. Now this 5-minute candle is going to close in 40 seconds. If we get a strong bearish candle, we may get some continuation over the next 5 minutes. Here we go. Alright, plus 12. And we got a nice strong bearish candle there. Now let's see if we can get some continuation. Hopefully we get the immediate continuation. That's how you know you got a strong bull market. 16. Alright, maybe we take something here. I'd like to get 20. It'd be nice to get a 20. But there's 19. There we go. I'll take it. There, 23. We hit the growth target twice. Granted, eventually this could hit the L7 down here. But you could always probably get another entry too. It may not happen in a straight line, but no, I'm happy with that. 75 pips on the session. Let me just see if this did not quite hit the target. I just wanted to see if this our cable trade hit the L7 yet on the 5-minute reversal, and it has not.